Well, not really. Not really. I mean, these...
Like, is there anything you couldn't do? Any kind of discipline?
Yeah, there's a million things I can do. All these fields are within a very small context, you know. Music is physics.
Got it.
Right. Investments is economics. Once you're dealing with investments, you're dealing with economics, you're dealing with physics.
Right, so it's just a spin on your general knowledge as Atelston.
Yeah, if I'm going to write, compose, and dealing with physics.
Psychopathology, power psychology, because you have to take stuff like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, lucid dream, a number of different power psychological
80. So you have a higher frequency.
You put a very
right.
Diagonal and horizontal lines are used primarily on a two-dimensional surface to illustrate the three-dimensional optical illusion that we perceive as three-dimensional art on a two-dimensional surface or canvas. There's a lot of diagonal lines. That's from a geometric standpoint. That's like the geometric architecture of art formation. There's these diagonal lines and these, you know, a commercial art, commercialized area, a city.
Rhythmic, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So